Weronika, I'm fascinated by the student workshops you've been presenting. Would you share some of these ideas?
Sure, Marie. So the workshops that I run for dance schools, they focus on empowering dancers. So my passion is dance medicine and injury prevention. So I want to save the young dancers from getting their injury too early in their training. And I think that to be a sustainable dancer and to be healthy and employable, a dancer needs to have really good understanding of their own body. Include in my workshops elements of anatomy and physiology so they can understand what's happening and what body parts they need to use. And I teach them how to feel their own body so that they can understand what moves and how, and so that they can also understand what sensations are coming out of their body and whether they're good or bad. And then I teach them how to self-assess. So we go through elements of technique and they can discover whether they're placing their technique well and whether they are using the correct muscles for it. And then I teach them how to self-correct. So if a dancer does that on a regular basis, if they keep reassessing and recorrecting themselves over and over again throughout their dance practice, this is when they become sustainable in dance. And they can prevent from the unnecessary injuries, because we know that one of the major risk factors for dance injuries is having an injury, is having a history of injury. So if you can have the first injury the latest in your career, that's the best.
Absolutely. Look, I've really enjoyed this conversation. We share the same passion and the ethos of the body is forever that we present in PBT training. And, I agree entirely. If they can't feel, they can't bring the form into the classroom. So thank you so much.